All right, we're taking a quick look at decimal number lines. Really a great little tool here to help us with comparing, help us understand decimals, and so we can look at this idea together. So first of all, we see the decimals have been put into a number line, and since they're in this number line, we need to first understand what our number line is really saying, right? Because this is our dash marks like this, right? So these would be our bigger ones, right? We're going from one decimal place to the next decimal place with an interval of 9 spaces in between, so 10 marks. So really we're going from 5.1, and then the next mark would be 5 point, right? And the next mark would be, and so forth. And so if we use this concept, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we come away with understanding that our first flower is in the 1 and 1500ths spot. So if that's the case for that, what is this? In another case, what we can look at is understanding that number lines, of course, can be represented as a meter stick, as a ruler. And since there is this relationship, we can use this to understand how the lines work in a number line sense, but they can also help us in decimals, right? So first of all, right, I want to find out how many centimeters this is. And so as I look at the centimeters in this, I can see that I'm starting here at 0, and I'm going to at least the 4, but not quite the 5. Here this is half of a centimeter, so I'm already at 4.5, and then I count 1, 2, 3, 4. And so in the end, right, because it's not a whole centimeter, I'm going to use a decimal to understand this relationship, and I'm going to come away with a response of 4.9, not 0.9, 4 9/10 of a centimeter. So what does that mean in millimeters? How long is this line in millimeters? All right, from here we can look at just this idea and how everything kind of comes together. And I'll scoot this onto the screen so we can see it all. It says find the perimeter of this rectangle in meters. So first of all, we have to realize that right now it says centimeters, so there's going to be some conversion taking place after or before you actually solve this. But go ahead and do this one then on your own then, because that's it. That's it. Use a number line, use correct converting, and work with understanding decimals and number lines. That's it.